anybody who's lived in Delhi, he lives in Gurugram, which is literally like a satellite town, but to Delhi, or if you want to see NCR or whatever. But it's the same with Delhi. Every year, it takes decades to build flyovers, and once the flyover is built, then you have a traffic jam at the end of that flyover because nobody thought that flyover से तेज से गाड़ियाँ आएंगी और वहाँ पे सब जाके jam हो जाएगा. And then there is a hospital right next to where the traffic, the flyover ends. No planning at all about how it's to be done. For years together we suffer, and this thing is, oh, we are a developing nation. ये होता है developing country. How long are we supposed to take this? क्यों होता है ऐसे?
As far as Delhi is concerned, I must say it was a city of 9 lakh population in 1947. And much of the population is in migrations. It's migrations from within the country. It's about 5 lakhs a year. That continues. In the 80s, when Rajiv Gandhi was the Prime Minister, and they had Congress governments in the entire states around Delhi, the National Capital Region Act was passed. That act was National Capital Region Act, but it was just a planning board. I have been heading that planning board for 5.5 years. All that you did was plan. You had no right of implementation. You had no right to verify the implementation. You had no right to check the implementation. You just planned, drew up a plan. You made a regional plan and said there will be no population within 1 kilometer of the border. If you read that act and you see how badly it has been violated. In fact, we are building roads on the borders of Delhi. Now, Gurgaon itself is basically not part of NCR. It is, but it's not part of NCR. NCR goes up to Sonipat, Panipat, Bulandshahr, and much beyond Gurgaon. But what has happened is, and part of the reason is after the emergency or during the emergency, suddenly they decided that we have to clear Delhi of Jugis, and the Jugis were cleared and taken to Noida.
Okay, UP.
So Noida was the first complex, but it is an industrial city.
Try telling them Noida.
I think Noida people should know that they were actually the descendants of Jugis.
So then suddenly this new Okhla Industrial Development Authority came up. And the idea was that you will shift industries from Delhi to Noida, etc. I think that itself, because Rajiv Gandhi brought the National Capital Region Act much later, and this, what I am telling you, is during the emergency when massive Jugis were replaced.
So 1975,
Sanjay Gandhi.
1984.
Okay.
That much of planning these chaps did.
And in spite of that, the mess.
Yeah.
Now, take Noida. There is no railway station there. There is no bus station there. There is no city center there. These three important infrastructures for a city.
Because it was supposed to be just Jugis.
No, it was just supposed to be an industrial development authority. It was an industrial
industry
area.
Means you have factory workers coming.
No, I am.
Wasn't it New Okhla Industrial Development Authority?
Yeah.
New Okhla, right?
New Okhla.
Yeah, that is what Noida is.
Can you imagine? So, and those guys believe that they're living, in Manhattan.
So if you stop being a Gurgaon snob right now.
Correct.
Now let's take Gurgaon. Again, no railway station, no connectivity with the rest of the country.
But we've got a sea.
No, Gurgaon.
We've got a functioning river.
No. In Gurgaon.
Yeah, every monsoon.
No, every monsoon it is there. No, the only place where water can go is the Yamuna. Now, why did the Mughals, why didn't the earlier kings, Tughlaqabad, Shreveport, why were these areas selected? Why was West Delhi not selected? Why was East Delhi not selected? See, 5% of Delhi is ridge.
Okay.
So, area which is raised. Now, Supreme Court has banned all construction on the ridge.
So-called, yeah.
No construction can come on the ridge. But the earlier developments of Delhi, whether it was the Mughals or the British, it was either in the civil lines or British. New Delhi was, again, New Delhi is a raised area. So, the entire drainage system was designed to flow by gravity. Now, it flows by gravity only if you have an elevation. So, the 5% of the area, you have elevation. So, water will flow by gravity into the Yamuna, provided it's not
So
Not
where is
with-
Minto Bridge, by your logic?
Minto Bridge is below level of Jamna, and Minto Bridge is even now much below the level of Jamna. So
Which
how,
is why it collects. Huh.
that is why it collects there, and it can't be taken out. If you take it out, you still take it out when Jamna is in floods.
So
Where
you
does the
can't
water go?
Go, huh?
It can't go. So Delhi has come up. We have the planning.
So basically
going
it's a
on.
nala.
Basically, Delhi is, you can call it an unplanned city.
Huh.
Whatever the DDA people may say, whatever the government may say, it is a totally unplanned city. People have been forced. Patel Nagar came up because refugees had to be settled. Rajendra Nagar came up. Your Panchsheel and all came up. All these areas, West Delhi, North Delhi, East Delhi, they all came up because of different circumstances, not
Conflicts?
because of
Huh.
planning.
Mukul Rohatgi, the lawyer, his entire house flooded.
Now what happened? Now came
Okay.
the DLF. Cleverly, they convinced Hindustan Lever that you have offices in 9-10 places in Delhi. I'll give you one office in Gurgaon. You come there. So there's Hindustan Lever, which was a big company in those days.
Still
now,
is.
Of course, IT. Now IT and all have come up. Shifted there. That suddenly became the international attention. And you started these multi-story buildings. Why has Gurgaon not developed? Why there was no Raja Maharaja developing Gurgaon? Why? Because the water table is so low. It is the land is so banjar. Land is terrible. Nothing grows there. That is why Gurgaon didn't come up. Now it came up because multi-storied buildings are permitted. It's a total lack of planning. You can do what you like, and we know. I'm not going to talk BLF or anything like this, but we know how they came up. Thousands of acres of land were required. Whatever little agriculture was going on was thrown out, and suddenly these
But
colonies.
that's how all our cities have come up.
No, that's
Very
the-
totally unplanned manner that okay, somebody comes and picks up land, somebody
if
develops.
such a
अब
thing-
बंजर जमीन है तो आने दो फिर
If such a
buildings.
thing happens,
जी.
how do you expect things to go well?
Yeah, it's wrong.
So it's wrong. So that is why Sonipat, Panipat, Bulandshahr, Meerut, that is why they were included in the NCR. In fact, NCR has been extended even further now. But there's nothing come up there. Everything is coming up within distance of Delhi. Single airport, single railway station. Now Delhi has 2 or 3. Noida has none. Gurgaon has none. So they all converge into Delhi. So if you are traveling from Gurgaon to Delhi, you have to select your time. You can't travel
Yeah.
there at 4 or 5 p.m. It's impossible.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.